Hello, my dear students. In standard 9, in chapter number 1, today we will learn social impact of the company's rule. Last time we learned about the economic impact of the company's rule. So here all the important points I have written. Let us we discuss one by one. About 100-year company rule over India one-sided, means from 1757 to 1857 East India Company rule over India. So definitely there are the social impact and economic impact. During this company's rule, the spirit of freedom of speech and thought developed. That is the point, beta. Freedom of speech and thought develop. How? That is we need to understand. During this British rule, newspaper, magazine and through other media, awareness among the people developed, and they knew what are their rights and what are their duties. So the freedom of speech and freedom of thought developed among the Indian people due to the newspapers and other medias started during the British rule. Impact number 1. Now impact number 1, 2. Certain wrong social customs, rites and rituals were eradicated by passing the laws. Wrong customs and rites and rituals means, you learn beta, sati pratha, female infanticides, दूध पीती, child marriage, dowry system, untouchability. Such type of customs, rites and rituals were there in Indian society, but due to the efforts of Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati and other reformers, British company passed a law to ban the sati pratha, to ban the child marriage and even advocated the widow remarriage. That was a social impact. Advocated the widow remarriage. Advocate means favor the widow to marry again, while these other rituals and rites were banned by passing the law. That is the impact number 2. Are you clear? So impact number 1, freedom of speech and freedom of thought developed among the Indian people. It means they raise their voice to oppose the injustice and wrong rules of the British company, policy of the British company. Indian people started to oppose by publish the pamphlets, magazines, newspapers, articles and even held the meeting, deliver a speech and oppose the wrong policy of the British government. That is number 1. Number 2 clear? Now number 3, administrative work Anglicides. During the British rule, administrative work Anglicides means, beta, in an administrative department, total the work carried out in English language, either post office, either court, either school, either college, or either the work of collecting the revenue tax, total procedure in English language. It means administrative work Anglicides, especially in court. The medium of communication was in English started. Same way public work department. Right, beta? In short, administrative work Anglicide is a social impact, and English education began to be imparted due to Lord Macaulay's effort. Right? English education began to be imparted. Due to whose effort? Fill in the blanks. Due to the Lord Macaulay's effort, the English education started in India. Means in school and colleges started to impart the education in English language. You understand, beta? English is an international language. So its importance, and Indian people learn the English, means its benefits where there are there. So impact number 4, English education began to be imparted due to Lord Macaulay's effort. 5th number, universities were established in Mumbai, Madras and Kolkata as recommended by Charles Wood. Here the word recommended means suggestion, suggested. Charles Wood suggested to establish the universities, and as per his suggestion, recommendation, the universities established at Mumbai, Madras and Kolkata, and due to that university, awareness among the Indians educated, and due to that the social reforms. In such a way, university established is a social impact. English education started, that is a social impact. Then the administrative work, Anglicide, is a social impact, and the wrong social customs rights were eradicated by passing the law, social impact, and spirit of freedom of speech and thought developed, that is also a social impact of the company's rule. Are you clear? So our last topic of the lesson number 1 is completed. Okay, you will learn and write it as a short note. Thank you. Jai Bharat.